Hey there, powerful people. This is Platoon Instructor Alejandro showing you how to do the Kettlebell Romanian Deadlift. Now, to perform any Romanian deadlift, we want to keep our feet somewhere between hip and shoulder width apart, no wider than a couple inches past shoulder width. Have a soft bend in the knee. We're going to keep a nice neutral spine or flat back. Brace the core. You're going to get your shoulders back and down to activate those lats so that the lats protect the back, and hinge at the hips, maintaining that soft bend in the knee throughout the entire movement, along with bracing the core and keeping a nice flat back. We lift the kettlebell till the knees and hips fully open, coming up to the full extension, and then back down to the floor until we reach the prescribed number of reps. Now, if you cannot perform this movement all the way to the floor with keeping a flat back or neutral spine, please add a plate or a mat, anything that is stable to elevate the kettlebell. The most important thing for us to do is to make sure that we keep that nice neutral spine so that we can isolate the hamstrings. Now, what we really want to do is focus on the hamstrings. It will work the glutes and the lower back, but you will feel a good stretch in the hamstrings as long as you maintain that neutral spine, keep the core braced, and the shoulders back and down. You'll stay nice and safe. If you have any questions about the Romanian deadlift or any other movement, please feel free to reach out to any of the Platoon Fitness instructors, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much. We all hope that you're having a great workout and look forward to seeing you soon.